This is the March 7th, 2020 Joe Practice how to make dust masks out of t-shirts and bandanas and with using paper towels as filters. This is a Patriots t-shirt. It's a thick thread. I'm going to use this. I'm going to cut the collar off of it. I'm going to cut it down the side underneath the armpit on both sides. I'm going to square it up a little bit. And then I'm going to fold it to a triangle. And then I'm going to slice it down the side of the fold. And then I'm going to attach it to my face, and I'll show you. And then I'll add paper towel for extra protection. Very simple to do. You'll find that material of any type is hostile territory or a hostile environment for germs. Germs are very delicate, and they only are really bad when they float up on you and you can't detect them, and they end up latching onto a mucous membrane and get into your body. So the prevention is to not let them get in your body, right? And that is done by using filters. And this is going to be a good little filter for you to use. Material is, if you looked at it underneath a magnifying glass, those would be like shards of glass to a small germ that you can't, a microscopic germ, but to us it feels nice and smooth. This Patriots shirt has got a real good thread count, so that's why I chose it. I'm going to cut this short sleeve off because I don't need it for my mask. Cut it there, down, and then this, under this right here, armpit, I'm going to cut straight up. Everybody has a t-shirt. That they can use to make a dust mask or a germ mask. And you can wash these. That's the beauty of these, you can wash them. You know, you use one of the paper towels or a half a towel for a day. You have to experiment. I'm sure science will try to prove me wrong, but I hope it's true. So that's that. I'm going to cut the neck out, and that'll be the last step. Cut it along here. I don't need to bring the neck in one piece. I just did the sleeves in one piece because so what I'm going to do is I'm going to square that up. So I'm thinking right there, right? It looks like it's going to be a good cut right there. And then I can use this, like if I needed to blow your nose, or my nose, I should say. But that looks like, I'm thinking a bandana is like the perfect size. It really is. And this right here is going to stretch a little bit. So that's not too bad. If I cut it like right here, right in the middle of that small area, because this is the part I'm going to need to cover my face. The other part is going to be like wrapping around my head, and I want to show you how to use this hat too, because this stuff is dense. In order for a germ to get through that, that would be pretty hard. It would have to be like a Superman germs are just, if they're microscopic, they're getting caught up in that. That hip rope catches bugs, I'm telling you, and germs, I swear to God, because if I leave these outside at night, there's always bugs trapped in that. They can't get out of that. These things are like, they charge up too when they touch your body, you know what I mean? So that right there, that's like almost like these things are alive. If you remember when these things, when you hit these things get a lot of charged energy and they start moving on their own. So I can just imagine them just grabbing a germ. So all right, so this is gonna be the size of the bandana. See, if you notice this, I cut it on one side on the side that I have folded right here. So one is tied around the bottom of the neck, one is tied around the head. Okay, so that's the t-shirt. We'll put this over here. I'm going to cut it right here in the middle of this part where the armpit was. I won't need that neck. So, yeah, this is one of the short sleeves. You can use that to blow your nose, open doors. You can wash it, right? Just a t-shirt. This is gonna be one. This you can blow your nose, open doors with this. I mean, it's throwaway stuff. Okay, I'm gonna fold it like this in a triangle. Right? See how you have the two sides down there? On that fold right there. See if I can get that a little bit better. Yeah, so we're gonna do it on this. Because it's not square, it doesn't need to be square. It's more protection. So boom, here, and cut it down. Straight down. One there. And this is just a fix for you guys that can't get a dust mask. You know what I mean? There's not that many. I guess there's a shortage. Anything's gonna be better than nothing. You know what I mean? It's just the way it is. Anything is better than nothing. So, okay, so that's that. Put this in here. Open it up here, right? It's not square, right? That's the, you know, you can do it square. It might be better, but I'm gonna try it this way. I don't think it matters, to be honest with you. Fold that over. Boom. That's the part that's going to be like tied up around your face, right? So bring it here. I'll tie the one up here first so it doesn't fall. All right, that's it, huh? Bring it up, right? T-shirt. We've got 3 layers of protection here. You can use more paper towels. That's a solid filter. I don't care what you say. And I bet you any amount of money, and this is free. You guys can use your own T-shirts. And it's better than nothing. It is. You can't tell me it's not better than nothing. You can wash it. I invented this a while ago. My wife's been laughing at me for a long time. But comes down, you can wear it around your neck, a t-shirt. Think about it. This you just saw this. This was a Patriots T-shirt. Now I have 2 dust masks. I have the other one here. I'll modify this one, right? It's just material. This is a hostile environment for a germ. I'm telling you. So you got these right here. You can open up doors with the sleeves. You can blow your nose. You can wash these. Throw them away, right? That's biodegradable, right? That's, you know what I mean? So you can reuse these, and that's just a T-shirt, a Patriots T-shirt. Right? Got my dust mask, got my little, so I could use the paper towel in that all day and then reuse it and then get a new one, right? So that's like that. Come up, that's gonna stay there. It's pretty tight. I got the paper towel and the 2 layers of T-shirt. I mean, you got a germ that is like really, really, really tiny, small. That gets slammed into that, it's going to be hard for that germ to survive that, and then it's going to be all in that, like those fibers that are literally like getting energy from your body. I'm telling you, like that invention moves when you're hitting it. So if you like do this to material or put it in the dryer, that's like charged. That's like a charged like sheet of energy that's on that, and I don't think that a little germ can survive that. And I'm sure that scientists, and I hope they'll do like tests on it. But you're like, you know what I mean? Your body attracts that. I noticed that about my invention. You know what I mean? When you play with this thing, it really kind of like plays back with you. It's like alive almost. Gives you a real good drag and everything. It's a great little thing. So, homemade dust masks that work, right? They're not. You don't have to like. You're not stuck. You can use any. So let's do the hat, okay? So that's the T-shirt dust mask. This is another, this is a bandana. Remember the 2, I did the 2, I cut it down the middle, 6 inches or so. So one is for the top, right? Fold them. You can put the paper towel in there for more protection. Fold it, boom. Right? The front one goes on the top. Put it here. It's better than nothing. It's better than nothing. You don't look bad. You can pull it down. You know, the paper towel and the fabric. That's going to be a good protection. I'm telling you, you don't have to have this closed in because just your breathing is going to pull that into this area. It's not going to be hard for those germs to get down that way. You got to wash your hands, remember? Wash your hands, keep your hands clean. And cover yourself. If you had like a light like material, you could put it over your eyes too, so you don't get any in your eyes, but not like this though. But that's a good little protection. You can, and then you get the bottom one, you can tie it around the lower part so it doesn't, right? That's something I had in my room. So you got those 2. We'll try the hat. Hopefully I got enough battery, all right? So this is double layer. I'm going to just cut the top off, right? Okay. Hat's off. The top of the hat's off. Double layered like that, right? So I'll get myself a paper towel. It's going to be sticking out a little bit, so I'm going to cut a little bit. Cut like 1.5 inches off it. Boom, like that. Do this inside out. We'll open it like that. We'll wrap it like so. Open, put it down. These are just quick little germ masks that you can wash, alright? So you gotta kind of like use your common sense, like what is like you can't use, like if you get this all snotty, you want to just change it or wash it, you know what I mean? That's not what you want to, you don't want to do it. So I'm going to put this upside down, I think. So that's the two materials, and I'm telling you, that's going to be hard for any germ to go through that. I mean, it can, but think about it, that's like a jungle of fiber. And then you get the paper towel. And you can use as many paper towels as you want. So here, boom, put it over your face, like so, right? You got your nose. You got your nose and you got your mouth, right? Put it here. It's better than nothing, right? Think about it. Just a hat. I just had a hat a minute ago. I can put it up on my head too, and use it as a little bit of a hat, right? Pull it down, boom. You got a little bit of protection there. You got that paper towel. You got this little like fibers. I'm telling you, you get a germ. The germ's gonna be hard to just think about a plane going into a forest. It's gonna be hard to get through that forest without getting banged up. You know what I mean? And germs are, you know, if you can't see them, they can't be too strong. I mean, the thing is, you don't want them to sneak up and float up on you, and then they end up like dividing, and like they end up like the next thing you know, one goes into like 1,000,000. So that's what you have to try to prevent. So this material, that's hostile territory for a germ. It's got to be. I mean, that's like a spiked jungle. This stuff. You know what I mean? So that's the hat. That's the T-shirt, and that's the bandana. Right, all cool little germ masks that you can wash and reuse. So say you make you sit home on a Saturday and you make a bunch of these, you know, and then you got like the leftovers to open up, you know, you can open up whatever. If you guys are getting like crazy, like thinking germs are gonna be on everything, just put one of these in your hand. That goes in one pocket, and then you have another one below your nose. And then you can wash it, you know what I mean? I mean, it's just something. It's better than nothing. The 3 that took me a couple of minutes to do. It's it, the Joe Show. JoePractice.com. And on Facebook. Ciambella. Germ mask. Made easy.